Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start in Settings because Voice Assist tools live there. Open Settings and tap Accessibility. Once done, look for VoiceOver and spoken content. These are the two places voice features hide. Make sure your device is unlocked and on the home screen so you can follow menus quickly. If you use guided access or a third-party launcher, disable that first so menus behave normally. These initial steps put you right at the controls where toggles and voices are managed. No extra apps needed. Now, disable the voice features that produce audio. Turn VoiceOver off by tapping its toggle and confirming. This immediately stops screen narration. Then open spoken content and turn off Speak Screen and Speak Selection so gestures and selections no longer speak aloud. Make sure Siri's voice responses are set to minimal or hands-free only if you prefer silence. Once these toggles are off, test by tapping icons. No spoken feedback should occur. These steps target each subsystem that can vocalize your iPad. Finish by restarting your iPad. That ensures settings take full effect and clears any cached voice processes. After reboot, swipe to Control Center and verify the accessibility shortcut isn't set to toggle VoiceOver. Disable it there to avoid accidental reactivation. If voices persist, reset accessibility settings or install any pending iPad OS update because bugs can re-enable speech. As a quick troubleshooting tip, if you hear speech immediately after a restart, double-check Siri's voice feedback and third-party assistive apps. Those are common culprits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.